Hello there, Standard 2 and Standard 3. Welcome back to our online art video. Okay, so for today's lesson, if you have read through your lesson overview, you need to learn to use the technique of color transitioning, okay, which means that you transition one color into another color. So color transitioning is usually used in colors when in the same color group. Okay, for example, if you are using gray, for example, so you transition the white gray to dark gray and then maybe into black color. Okay, because those colors are in the same color group. Okay, they are together, they are at the same color group. They are not like gray and then suddenly you transition the gray into brown or into red, which is a completely different color group. Okay, so color transitioning is it happen when you want to make it look like there are shadows or something look shiny. Okay, those are some other examples of why we are using color transitioning. Okay, all right, so apart from that, color transitioning can also be used in the form of like this one. Let me show you. Okay, for this one, oops, like for example this one, we transition this yellow color into dark yellow and then it goes to orange and then a little bit of reddish over here. Okay, so you can see that the color transition from light into darker color. Okay, alright, so that is what we are going to do today. We are going to transition the colors on a robot. Okay, should we start now? So I think I am going to use a portrait layout today, like this, because I would like to draw the robot standing over here. Okay, and I will also use my black pen to draw the outline. Okay, if you do not have black pen, then you may use black pencil colors or pencil. Okay, and try not to use the black crayon to do the outlines because it will smudge um, your drawing and coloring later. Okay, right, so let's start. um, let's think of the shape of the robot first. I am thinking of doing a robot which has a cylinder shape. Okay, so we will start with the shape of the cylinder. Okay, I will teach you how to do it one by one. Okay, for example, this is your robot. So let's say this is the body of your robot. Okay, and then go downward. Okay, a cylinder shape. Remember, we want to make it look like you are looking at the robot from bottom over here. Okay, and next one, the robot hand. Okay, it's also in a cylinder form. Maybe you can do something like this. Okay, this is the hand of your robot. Okay, and then going like this. Can you see it? Okay, I think I will try to zoom it for you. Okay, next we will continue with this line going downwards. You can't see because of the hand, so you try to guess where the lines could end and then you stop over here, and after that then you can add. Okay, right, next one, the other hand. Okay, you make sure that both of the hand are at the same height. So maybe you want to make the hand look like this one, or you want to make the hand look like it's going downward and pointing up like this. Okay, and then you close it. There you go. Easy, right? Okay, then let's move to the leg. Also cylinder leg, but at the bottom it's a little bit bigger like this. And then you go. Okay, leave this space first because we want to do the other leg. Go downward, a little bit bigger at the bottom, and then there you go. Connect the line. Same goes to this one. Okay, now the hand of your robot, then you can do any type of hand. You want to do it like just like a robotic hand, like just one fingers, and the rest of it is just like glove. Okay, another one. There you go. Okay, now let's see the head of your robot. Let's make the head a little bit round, okay, or a spear. Okay, if you're not confident, you can use something round to do the head, something like this. Okay, and then the eye of your robot. Where should we put the eye? Maybe we can put it over here, right? Or should we put it on the top? Let's give a think. Actually it's up to you, okay, wherever you want to put the eye later. I want you to be creative with your design. Okay, so I think I'm going to put the eye over here, and then another one over here. Circle. Okay, and another circle. There you go. What's next? Oh, should we make a smiley face? Okay. Now let's create this line first. Okay, to make it look more realistic. Okay, make sure your line is curved. Okay, don't make the lines too straight. Like for example, this is the hand of your robot. Don't make it straight like this. Okay, it doesn't look realistic. So what you need to do, you just make it curved like this one. Follow the shape of the hand. Okay, then how many? One, maybe another one over here, and another one over here. There you go. And as for this one, okay, one over here, okay, then one over here, almost hidden. Okay, now let's do the same to the leg. Curve, curve, curvy line, okay, and then here curvy line. Okay, let's see for the eye. Oh, that is a very creepy eye, right? Now let's think of what we can do with the eye later on. Let's make some weird looking eye, shall we? So one of the eyes looking over there, so maybe there is someone here. Then let's draw the eye facing this side. Give it a circle. Yeah. Okay, so the small circle is this way a bit. Okay, you draw it a bit to the left. Okay, let's see. Oh, if you want to put any brand or any other design on the robot's body, then you can do that. Okay, but it will be hard for you to do the color transitioning later, so let's leave it blank for today. Okay, So we will start with the color transitioning process. The colors that I'm going to use is gray. I do not have any white, so I might be using gray as the lightest color, and then I will mix it with black crayon. Oh, I have this little black crayon over here, right? If you are using different color, for example, if you are using blue, right, so you transition the lightest blue, light blue, into dark blue and the darkest blue, light blue, dark blue, and the darkest blue. And if you are using green, then you can transition the color from if you do not have light green, you may use this yellow, light green, and dark green. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. And if you are using purple for your robot, then you may use colors that look almost the same with purple. Okay, if you have pink, then you can use pink. Maybe pink could be the lightest color, and then after that you have dark pink, and then last one will be this red. Okay, transitioning colors. Okay, so I'm going to use, since I do not have white, I'm still thinking if I should be using this gray. I think I'm going to use colors that which I have right now. Let me think. Should we use purple, dark purple, and the lightest purple? Yeah, I don't have any light purple, so I think I'm going to use pink. Right, so let's start. Okay, so let's say the light comes from here, the source of light comes from here, so there should be some reflection here. Okay, some reflection over here, and then if there is a reflected light, the color should be lighter, so I'm going to use light pink. And then there could be some light reflected over here. Imagine that there is a light, the source of light here, and then some light reflected on top of the head, as well of this this part of the hand and the leg in front here. Okay, so there I'm going to use those color. Let me mark it for you. Light color, light, and light color over here, then light color, light color. Okay, and let's move to the next color. You have dark pink or dark purple, so that should be this color, the rest of other colors. Okay, and the last color should be the darkest purple you have. This should be behind because it's the shadow, right? Okay, so let's start. I'm going to put it in fast motion. Okay, so standard 2 and 3, this is how you transition the color. If you see over here, I have marked this one as light color just now, right? So what I do is, when I'm transitioning the color from light to dark color, what I do is just I start from a little bit on the white, the light colors like this, and then I just do the color it like this. Don't do too much, okay, on top of the white color. What you do is just you drag it outward. Okay, drag it away from the light color, just up down, okay, just like this. There you go. Okay, I will go all the way over here. Can you see I am following the shape of the hand of the robot. I don't color like this, but instead of coloring like that, I follow the shape like I do it in a curve. Up down, up down, up down. Okay, it will create a very nice texture if you follow the shape of the object. Okay, there you go. Okay, then later on after this we will do the darkest color. Okay, we leave out the hand first and go to the darkest color, which is this dark purple. Okay, so we start from the light color, go upwards, sorry, go outward. There you go. Can you see the color is transitioning from light into darker and into the darkest color? Okay, there you go. Okay. I'll try it with the hand first. Huh? From the light color, you drag it outward. Do it slowly. Okay? Can you see? Okay. Okay, standard 2 and 3. Um, if you look closer into the drawing over here, okay, I will see. Let's check. Okay, the hand color, the color of the hand, do the same technique also. Okay, color transitioning. Imagine this is the part that is reflected, that reflects the light, and over here also you use light yellow or light orange, and then the rest of the place you use dark orange. Okay, I might use a little bit of the dark color on my hand and rub it here. There you go. Okay, now, so that's your robot. Okay, does it look realistic? Alright, so if you see over here, there are some colors outside of the lines. What you can do is that you take a blunt object like this hair clip, or the tip of your pen, a non-functioning pen, for example like this one, the tip like this, the blunt tip. Can you see? What you can do is just you remove it, try to remove it if it can, and if cannot, then that's okay. Okay, right? Okay, that's it for today. I hope you can try it at home, but the colors, it's up to you. Okay, you can use any colors you want and be creative. If you're done, please turn in your work, and see you next year, I think. See you next year. Bye.